About time. Oh, you're actually doing something? A pleasant surprise.
Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, south-central Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Kendler-McAfee, or over Decatur, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Lawrenceville, Decatur, Johns Creek, Dunwoody, East Point, Duluth, Forest Park, Snellville, Suwanee, Lilburn, Chamblee, Norcross, Dorville, Clarkston, Hapeville, Stone Mountain, Dacula, Avondale Estates, and Grayson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KEC 80 has interrupted.
For that one alert?
We will resume normal broadcasting once the threat has passed.
Okay. You want to see what I'm so pissed off about? This shit. Okay. This is all we've been getting. Let me lower the brightness. Okay. This shit right here. Significant. Fucking... Yeah, these counties keep on going on. I'm still continued. And then you have this shit. That's the only alert. What the fuck? Only one alert and you go down? Okay. Oh, anyways. See you guys later. Bye.